Hello friends, today we are going to discuss how to enter lead in the CRM software. You can enter lead in the CRM software in two different ways. One, you can enter automatically by integrating all the lead sources. For an example, you are getting leads from IndiaMart, Trade India, Just Dial, Sulekha.com, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, through phone calls. All the sources can be connected. Your website, if you are a real estate company, then 99 acres, Magic Bricks, all portal can be connected to this CRM software. So all the leads will be entered from all different sources directly to the CRM software. But there might be certain leads you will be getting offline, example through reference or through some other sources. You need to create those leads manually in the CRM software. Those leads you need to enter manually in the CRM software. How do you do that? See, there is a button called new lead. You click here. If lead is coming from a company, then select this option. Lead is coming from individual, select this option. So for an example, this is the form. You need to fill up this particular form to enter this lead, all the company information, all the contact information, and whatever is the requirements you need to fill up. This particular form can be reconfigured, customized as per your requirements. You can remove all, some fields or almost all the fields from this particular page, and you can bring whatever important fields you want to capture during lead entry. You can bring those fields over here. So this is completely configurable. Okay, just to show you how to enter the lead, let me enter one lead manually. Example, company one. I'll give some phone number, some address, some industry vertical, their website, contact person name, email ID, mobile number, his title, that is designation, from which source I got the lead, what is the lead type, and all these things, right? These informations can be reconfigured, customized as per your requirements. Once I save, under the name of company one new lead will be created in the software. The moment lead is created, you can see for company one new lead has been created. This is the company details. Under this company details, you can see one contact person, Mr. Kiran Kumar, has been added. Under this company one, there is a new inquiry or opportunity has been created in the software, right? So this is how, this is what happens when you create a new lead in the software. If lead is getting entered automatically, same thing is going to happen. One company record will be created. Under the company, one contact record will be created. Under the company, one inquiry or opportunity record will be created. So yeah, this is how you enter lead, and you save the lead in the system. Thank you.